Are you a private person? Would you like to make sure that your private events is confidential inside of your Go High Level account? I'm super excited. There's a new feature that has been updated here. It's a private mode. So if you want to make sure that your calendar events that you can actually see what's on your calendar, but you don't want the entire team to know your play by play and your personal private events. So there is a new feature called private mode, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make sure this is turned on. In this account here, I have my daughter's birthday, so you can see the actual event. So I'm in my own account here. I can see my personal event here, and I'm going to show you as I show you how to make sure this private mode is turned on in your Go High Level account, and then also switch the account to a different team member so you can see that it would actually show as busy. So what we're going to do is go to the settings section. So if you're in your account, you go to the bottom left hand corner where it says settings, and we're going to go to my profile, and there's actually two ways to make sure this is on. So we're going to scroll down under my profile first and go all the way down to where it says calendar configuration, and under hide event details. This should actually already be turned on. And if you're not seeing this, I'm going to show you one other section here. So you actually need to be an admin. If you're not an admin, you want to make sure that the admin goes down to the labs section and scroll down to the bottom. And there's a lot of really cool things here that are coming up. So you want to actually periodically come in here and turn things on. But down at the bottom, the hide third party appointment details, this should be toggled on. So this is going to enable that you as a user will be able to keep your third-party calendar events private. When activated, only the user can see the synced events, and then it will be remained hidden from everyone else. So what we're going to do next, there's actually a second way to make sure that this is toggled on, or I guess this would be the third way, because you want to make sure that this is turned on in the labs section. But you can also go into the calendar settings and go to connections. So under calendar settings, connections, if you scroll down here, private mode is also on here in this section. I always say there's so many different ways to make sure things are on, or so many different ways to make sure a specific action is done. There's the different ways here. So make sure those are turned on. Now I'm actually going to switch out of my personal account here and go log into a different user, and you will be able to see now that the calendar says it's busy. So even though I like to tell everyone my daughter's birthday is coming up, she's 7 going on 18. And so I blocked out my Saturday of events there. So we are busy, but I have no shame. I have an 8-year-old and a 23-year-old. But anyhow, I'm super excited for this feature because this is highly requested. So if you're a Go High Level user and you want to make sure that this private mode is turned on, now you know what you didn't know. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you on the next video. Much love and aloha.